Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Norah. If you are new and if you are not, welcome back. We are going to jump right in, y'all, because if you're not new here, she's a mom. We are on crunch time. We don't know how much time we have, so we are going to just jump right in and get through today's video, which we are going to be discussing my current favorites. So without further ado, let's jump right in. All right, as always, y'all know I got my handy dandy cell phone here, and I tried to keep this pretty short, sweet, straight to the point. So we have 10 items, a little bit of everything for everyone. First up, and in no particular order, but first up, we're gonna talk skincare, and I have the Summer Fridays Gentle Reset Daily Exfoliating Pads. They actually come in this super cute box, as you can see here, in this really nice kind of like seafoam sage green. Y'all know green is my favorite color, so the packaging definitely got me, but in all seriousness, I love Summer Fridays, love their products, and these have been amazing. So just as they say, they are gentle exfoliating pads. You can use them daily, so I just keep this actually right in my bathroom like this, grab it, and it does a really good job of exfoliating the skin, but I love that it is gentle. So again, it is something that you can use every single day. So I feel like if you have a little bit more sensitive skin, you should still be good to use this every single day. Like, I don't think this is as strong or as harsh as like a chemical peel pad like the one from Dr. Dennis Gross. I would probably lean for these more, but love these. Again, I think they do a really good job of, like they said, exfoliating the skin, but they're gentle enough to use every single day. Next up, these eye patches from Luxe Unfiltered. These are called, what are these called? They're iced latte cooling eye mask, and they actually call them iced latte because they do have, I believe, like a shot of espresso is kind of what they say in them. So they're really cooling and really good for kind of that boost of energy that you need under your eyes. And listen, as a new mom, as a new parent, anything I can get to make me look a little bit more awake, I am here for. So love these. They come in, I believe, a pack of 10, but also a pack of 30. You can get these in. I actually just grabbed these off of Amazon, so super easy. They come in these little individual packets, so if you do want to pop them in the fridge, you could, but honestly, you don't need to because they genuinely are very cooling. They're really large too, which I love, so I feel like they cover a really good surface area under your eyes, and then they actually do cool. I feel like there are a lot of eye patches out there that kind of claim to do that, and they don't, or at least not as good as these. These are probably the best eye masks, eye patches that I have probably ever used. A little pricey, but I love them, and I do like the fact that I can get them right on Amazon. Convenience, absolutely love. Continuing on with skincare, and actually something else for the eye area. Didn't realize that we kind of have a theme here, but again, as a new mom, anything I can do to kind of give me a pick-me-up and make me look a little bit more awake, I'm here for. This is the Desi Skin Agua Fresca Cooling and Smoothing Eye Cream. Love this. I just think this packaging too is absolutely adorable. It just looks like this little, like a little pill, if you will, and just pump that onto your ring finger, put this underneath your eyes, and I love this. I tend to do a little habit stacking here where I will do the eye cream and then actually put the Luxe Unfiltered patches on top. You don't need to, but I just like to add a little bit more moisture to the under eye area and find that the Desi Skin product is really good. Not too oily either. I find that some other brands are a little bit too oily. This one's not. It does exactly what it needs to do. It moisturizes, it hydrates, very easy to apply. Love this. Desi Skin, I feel like not enough people talk about their skincare products, but I love them. So would definitely recommend. The Sephora sale is coming up, so if you do want to check out Desi Skin, Luxe Unfiltered, of course, Summer Fridays, check those out because they'll be on sale. Good time to save some money. All right, next up, I did want to talk about one fragrance, and this is the Pink Magnolia scent from Loewe. Listen, okay, y'all know I don't talk too much about fragrance just because I feel like it's very personal, very intimate. I'm not the best when it comes to explaining scents and all that stuff, so I'll probably have the notes up here. Just know she's delicious, okay? She is floral, obviously Pink Magnolia. She's floral, but she's not too mature. Like, she's a good floral, perfect for the spring season. I love this scent. Okay, I actually don't reach for her enough just because obviously it's Loewe, so she's a little pricey. But love her. Now that we're starting to get into warmer months, spring season, I will probably reach for her a little bit more, but she has definitely been a more recent favorite. I've actually had the fragrance for a little bit already, but I would say she's more so a current favorite because I have been reaching for her a little bit more. Definitely fresh, feminine, girly, sweet, but not too sweet. Again, not too florally that it gives a little bit too mature. She is the perfect scent. So if you're interested in checking out Loewe fragrances, I think they have quite a few of them. I haven't really smelled too many of them, but Pink Magnolia I think is a really, really good one to check out if you're into something florally but feminine, sweet but not too sweet, and perfect for the spring, summer months. She's your girl. All right, so the final favorite I would say in skincare, beauty, if you will, is going to be this hand cream. This is from Salt & Stone, and this is in their scent Bergamot and Hinoki. I'm not too sure how to pronounce that. Salt & Stone is another brand I would say I really, really enjoy for like body care, body products. I tend to buy a lot of their lotions, but also a lot of their body washes. So I picked up this hand cream, always have this in my bag. This is just something that I keep really close to me. Honestly, I might buy another one just to keep in my nightstand, because with how much I am washing my hands, I wash my hands a lot anyways, but again, now with a baby, my hands are so dry, and I find that this hand cream does a really good job of moisturizing my hands. It actually keeps my cuticles looking really healthy as well. I don't think it says anything or claims anything at all about, you know, cuticles or anything. No, it just says obviously hand cream, but I find that it's really, really good. It's thick, but not too thick that it takes a long time to absorb. Like, you got to really work it into your hands. It doesn't transfer. 10 out of 10. Their scents are always amazing. Love the bergamot. It gives a little bit more of like a sexy, muskier scent. Love her. Definitely would be another product that I would say to check out during the Sephora sale. All right, next up, I figured we could go into clothing. I don't have a ton, honestly, at all, so let's jump into the clothing category. All right, so we've got two items here from the Nike Skims recent drop collection. I'll probably pop up here on screen somewhere a video of me like trying it on so you can see what it looks like. Follow me on TikTok if you want to see a little bit more information there as well. I did like a full-on review, but let me just tell you, I am someone who has spent a stupid amount of money on athleisure, athletic wear, workout gear. I've always been a big time fan of Nike and all that good stuff. And I love Skims as well too. So of course, when I saw that they started working together and are doing different drops, I wanted to kind of check out a couple of their pieces. I just went for kind of their standard, I believe this is a 26-inch inseam legging. It's in, I think they call it like the Ultra Shine. I'll have it linked down below so you can definitely check it out. I picked this up in a size small, and then I also grabbed the zip up mock neck jacket in a size small as well. This one has the Nike dry fit technology in it. The leggings, at least these ones don't claim to have that, but this one does. I believe it actually says it here on the jacket as well. Phenomenal quality, okay? Love the little Nike Skims logo that you see here on the back. Also, I feel like these in particular are really good for like low impact but also high impact workouts as well. I've worn them a couple times. The leggings don't roll down, they stay in place. This is really good for compressing the body. So if you're looking for compression, love these. And again, the quality, I hands down would say this is up there with your Lululemon, your Fabletics, your Honor Actives. Like the quality is there. Even for the Nike products on their own, I think these definitely stand up really well. They wash really well, which I'm happy because they're not cheap. Okay, I think this jacket was like $100 something, and I think the leggings were probably roughly about the same. So which is why I kind of compare it to your Honor Actives and Lululemons, and I would definitely say quality is phenomenal. I might even dare to say a little bit better than some of the other likes that I have mentioned. Kimberly did her biggest one. Okay, Kimberly and the Nike Swoosh team did their biggest one. I would say sizing, true to size. Again, I picked them both up in a small. The leggings are a little snug, but I am freshly postpartum. I've still got like 9 or 10 pounds that I need to, well, I don't need to, but I want to lose. So I'm sure they'll fit perfectly then, but I would say probably go true to size on those. Keeping with the little athletic vibes, again, if you follow me on TikTok, you have seen these already, but my Asics. I wear these into the ground, okay? I honestly shouldn't even be really holding them like this because I wear them so much, but these are my Asics. These are in the style, I think they're called, oh, it says it right here, the Gel Kayano 14s. This is probably my favorite like style and silhouette from Asics. I actually just placed an order for 2 more pairs. But love these. I picked these up. I believe these are a men's style, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, these are a men's 5.5, which is like a 7.5, 8 or whatever in women's. But I love these. Again, love the green. Love the kind of like yellow gum bottom kind of feel at the bottom of the sole. White and black detail. Love these. I wear these damn near every day. Okay, this is like my grab and go quick throw on shoe, hence why they're not even laced. I literally just slip my feet into them. Love them. I can't even believe we're in a place where Asics are just like a thing, but they're a thing. I'm on board. I'm obsessed. Love them. We are zooming, okay, through this current favorites, but it also helps me realize, do we talk too much in a lot of these videos? Like, get straight to the point, right? Tell me what you love. Why do you love them? Link them. Let's rock and roll. I'm here for it. Next favorite. Let me tell you, if you are looking for affordable jewelry, but that's still gonna look like you spent a lot of money on it, Pavoy is the brand. Find them on Amazon. If you've been here for a while, you actually would probably know I've worked with Pavoy probably like 3-4 years ago now at this point. It was actually probably one of my first collaborations here on YouTube, which is insane. This is not sponsored or anything like that. Pavoy, if you want to holler at your girl again, she's available. But I picked up this tennis necklace. I don't remember exactly what it's called. Again, follow me on TikTok. No, this whole video is not just plugging my other social media platforms, but like y'all know, I usually share it there first and I go in a lot more detail. But this tennis necklace, okay, it's giving $10,000 necklace, but I got it for the lowest of lows on Instagram. Again, I think Pavoy just does a really good job of this kind of jewelry. This is their 15-inch, and I believe this is in the white gold. They do have a yellow gold option as well, which I'm thinking I actually might purchase also, so I have both, but I love her. I wear it all the time. I will wear it to the gym. I will wear it to a workout. I would even throw it on with like a cute little like athletic outfit like I have on today. She's adorable. She's adorable. She's really great quality. Doesn't turn. Any jewelry I have actually purchased from Pavoy has held up really, really well. That necklace has been no different. So obsessed. There are a couple other products that I recently bought from Pavoy as well. They're linked in my Amazon storefront. But if we're talking current favorites, it would definitely be the tennis necklace. Because like I said, between her and my Asics, I pretty much try to build every outfit around them. All right, and last but certainly not least, okay, for our current favorites. And I don't even know, did I say this was a current favorites video? I think I did say that at the beginning. It's gonna be my diaper bag. Moment of silence. She's stunning, 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 stunning. And I'm sure some of you are probably like, Chanel for a diaper bag? You're absolutely right, because it's not actually a diaper bag. It's just a tote bag that I really wanted. It was on my luxury wish list, but I figured if I was going to invest in a diaper bag, I wanted it to be something that I could use for a long time. I almost pulled the trigger on the Gucci diaper bag, but honestly, after talking to a lot of people who have them, great bag, but it's like $3,000, and it's just like, do I really want to spend that kind of money on a bag that I genuinely will only be able to use as a diaper bag? And if you've seen it, maybe I'll pop it up on screen. It's just a diaper bag, so you wouldn't even be able to kind of like finesse it as an everyday bag. So I figured, let's invest and get a bag that I actually would be able to use long after using it as a diaper bag. So I picked up this Chanel tote. This is the Chanel Deauville tote in medium size. I got it off of Fashion File, got it for a really, really good deal. I'm happy with her. Right now, I actually don't really have too much in here. I use an insert that I picked up from Amazon, also linked in my Amazon storefront, just to keep everything nice and organized in here. But I love her. Again, I will be able to use this bag long after I use it as a diaper bag. I honestly use it as an everyday bag now, which I'm not ashamed to say that I do, because she was a pretty penny. She was on sale. I got a good deal, but she was still a pretty penny. So love her. This has probably been, along with my sneakers and that tennis necklace, one of my top favorites that I have been loving most recently. All right, y'all. Well, that is it. That actually might be record time. I don't think I've ever filmed a favorites video this quick. But again, it's making me realize, like, girl, you be chatting, you be talking a lot, and you don't need to spend 45 minutes talking through products. Or maybe you do, but it doesn't always need to be a long-winded video. So those are my current favorites. I will have everything linked down below. If it's still available, hopefully they all should be available because they're all like pretty recent purchases. If anything is on my Amazon storefront, definitely check that. I'll have it linked down below as well. But I love you all. Thank you so much for tapping in. Thank you so much for hanging in there, because I know we've been kind of MIA, but like, hi, raising a human. But other than that, love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye, y'all.